Hi students, good morning. We are in the story The Mystery Island. In that there are three children, Nanny, Rami and Samir. Those children prepared a watercraft, and while they were testing, suddenly it traveled and they went to one island. How is that island? That is very mysterious, something not easy to understand. There are so many strange things in that island. They reached that island. In that island, some tribal people came and they surrounded and they locked the children in one room and they separated the teacher away from them. And while eating, those children sat in the dark room, and while eating they heard sound and they came out. When they came out, they observed there a castle. Till that we knew that story, we learnt in the previous class. Now let's continue. Let's know what happened after that. After looking the castle, what happened? Let's see. Your English course book, page 15. The door opened to let them in and then closed behind them. They wondered if it could be another trap. Looking at each other, they decided not to give up their courage. They looked for a way out but couldn't find any. Utterly tired, they sank to the floor and were asleep within a few moments. When they reached the castle, the door opened to let them come in. The door opened. When the door opened, children went inside. Immediately the door was closed. And if the door is closed, how to come out? They searched for the way to come out. They did not find any way. How to come out, they don't know. And they are very tense now, very afraid, but still they decided not to give up the courage. Courage means the dare they have. They are little frightened, but they are trying to face. They are trying to know what happens. They are trying to know what is there. So that is called courage. And they decided not to give up that courage and continue to know what is there. They looked for the way but they could not find. That's why after looking, waiting, so much time passed. The children were so tired, utterly tired, means so much tired they are. So they fell asleep on the floor itself. On waking up, they found their robot lying with them. They were surprised to see it there. It reminded them of their teacher. Rami was worried about their teacher, but they couldn't figure out where he was. The tribals must have kept him with them. We must go and rescue him at once, said Nanny. So they fell asleep. After some time, they woke up. After waking up, they saw their robot. The robot also lying along with them. They were very surprised and happy to see that robot there. Now the three children are there, their robot is there. If the teacher is also along with them, it would be happy, because now three of them at one place, and what happened to teacher, they don't know. What the tribes did, they don't know. So they are worried about the teacher, and they thought if the teacher is also along with us, it would be happy. And they are thinking that we must go and rescue at once. What is that rescue? Rescue means to save. They wanted to save the teacher because the teacher is alone. Here, three children are together and robot also. Suddenly, a scary monster appeared out of nowhere. It was huge, had a shiny dress, and was waving swords. The monster struck the door with his mighty swords and promptly tore it down. And suddenly one monster appeared before them. What's a monster? Do you know? A very big body, having some powers. Yeah, monster. You may have idea, you may have seen it in the cartoon shows. And now one big monster appeared before them. Appear means come suddenly from somewhere. It appeared and it has some swords in the hand. What is this sword? Yeah? This is a sword, am I right? And the monster having swords, waving the swords in the hand. And the monster, it has struck the door and the door is torn. This only added to their misery. If there is a door, we can think that from that door we can go out. If the door is spoiled, torn out, that means broken, how can they go out? So their misery increased. What is a misery? Misery means sad. Already they are in some problem and their problem increased. There was nowhere they could run now. The monster was about to catch Nanny. Sam grabbed a sword hanging on the wall. He hit the monster again and again till he withdrew crying. Nanny thanked him and appreciated his valor. And suddenly, do you know what happened? The monster is trying to come closer to Nanny and he is trying to catch Nanny. Immediately, Nanny's friend, who is he? Sam. There were some swords hanging on the wall. He has taken the sword and he started fighting with that monster using that sword. Okay. He has hit the monster again, and the monster he got hurt and he withdrew his fight. Withdraw means your parents go to bank and they withdraw money. Means there will be some amount of money they take back it. That is called withdraw. Past tense is withdrew. Now he is doing some action. What is that? He is fighting. The monster is fighting. He stopped that. He withdrew fighting and he began crying. That means he is hurt. He is not able to fight or he is no more able to harm them. So Nanny thanked Sam for his valor. Valor means courage, children. Sam showed a lot of courage. That's why Nanny thanked him. The young travelers continued their search for their teacher. They were walking through a thick jungle of strange planets. The robot kept scanning the plants as they walked. Look at these pretty flowers, screamed Nanny in great delight and started picking them. Dangerous for humans, warned the robot. Throw them away, said the boys, but Nanny liked them, so she kept a flower with her. After a while of fruitful searching, the kids found themselves back at the castle door. They were completely tired. Again, as the monster is hurt, they are free now. These children again began searching for their teacher. The search is continuing. They were walking through a thick jungle and it is having strange plants. Strange means I said something which are not normal, they are different to see, different. So they saw some strange plants. There were some flowers there. When Nanny looked at the flowers, she liked them. Girls all like the flowers, we know that. When Nanny looked at the flowers, she also liked those flowers. And she screamed, wow, flowers. And she started to pick some flowers. But it is strange place. What danger comes, they don't know. That's why robot said, no, it is dangerous, don't pick them. And the other voice also said, leave them, throw them away. It is dangerous because the plants are strange. So the flowers also might be strange, may be dangerous. Leave them. She threw all the flowers, but she liked them. That's why she kept one flower with her. And the children, they found themselves at the back door of the castle, and again by walking, searching, they are tired now. Children, what would you do if you were the robot? Suppose the children are in problem there. They are searching for the teacher, they are facing so many problems. Suppose you are the robot and you are with the children. What would you do? Do you help the children to come out from that place? Okay. Do you find something fishy, something going wrong in the story? Do you find that something is fishy? Fishy means like funny. Do you feel that something is funny and something is wrong in the story like that? Do you feel something is nothing is just funny joke? Or do you feel that something is wrong in the story? Or do you help the children to come out? What would you do if you are the robot? Huh? Yes, now shall we continue the story? They hardly sat down when they heard a scream, "Help!" It was Nanny shouting in fear. A giant spider was spreading its claws over the girl. The boys rushed for their swords, but it was too late. The spider was just about to seize the girl. Again Nanny shouting, "Help!" When they went there, Nanny was in some danger because there is a big spider. Do you know what is a spider? Yeah, spider will be on the walls. Yeah, there is one big spider. It is going to seize. Seize means to catch her. It is trying to seize Nanny, and she is shouting. Just then, a man dressed weirdly popped out of nowhere. He threw away the dress, and to their wonder, it was their teacher. He fired at the spider with a laser gun in his hand. The kids rushed to their teacher. "Are you all right?" asked the teacher. The kids nodded their heads. And as the spider is trying to seize the girl, suddenly a man in a weird dress. What is that weird? A man in a weird dress. Weird means something strange. In a strange dress, a man came, and that man, he popped out from nowhere. They don't know from where he came. He popped out means came out. And when he removed that dress, the children were surprised. To their surprise, he is none other than their teacher, for whom they have been searching from long time. He is the teacher. So they were very surprised and very happy. And the teacher, he has taken one laser gun, and with that gun he has shot the spider and rescued. Rescue means to save. Saved the girl, Nanny. "Are you all right?" asked the teacher. And children nodded their head. Nod the head means saying yes. Move the head. Saying yes is called nod. They nodded the head and said, "Yes, all right." He then explained that the mission involved a test to see how they would face a trying situation. "We created the whole situation for you. We landed you on a strange island and a sort of disappeared in fact. I was always there watching over you through the camera in the robot, and ready to come to rescue. There is a robot. In that robot, there is one camera. They fixed one camera, and all this happened is just the school and the teacher has arranged it. It is arranged by them. Why they arranged such a situation? They just wanted to know how brave the children are. Are they courageous or not? Are they courageous or they feel fear or tension? They wanted to check it. That's why they created all this situation. It is nothing really happened. You have been very brave and intelligent, except for Nanny's mistake with the flower. The flower could have landed you all in terrible trouble. You see, the huge spider was attached to its smell and not to Nanny, said the teacher, winking. You also need to learn to be independent so as to tackle any situation. I appreciate your bravery, said the teacher and patted all of them. So the teacher said, very good children, you are very courageous. You are having so much courage. You faced all the situations very daringly, except one small mistake Nanny did. What is that? Picking that strange plant's flower. Except that, everything you have faced so bravely. That's why he appreciated. What is appreciating? Saying that very good, you have done so well. That is praising, is called appreciating. The teacher appreciated and he patted them. To pat means, yeah, well done, like this. He patted all the children. He appreciated the bravery. Suppose children, if you are in their place, like Nanny, Rami and Sam, what would you do? Do you face the problem? Do you face the situation they faced? Do you face courageously, or do you feel very tension and begin to cry and stay at that place? No, whatever situation we are in, we have to face and we have to come out. You have to, if you have any problem, solve it. That is being courage. That is a story, Mystery Island. In the next class, we come with some other task or activity. Till then, have a good day children. Bye.